We're here in Shrewsbury, where Gordon Brothers are holding a mammoth auction on behalf of the administrators of Rea Valley Tractors. There are over 1,000 lots in this auction, so we're going to take a look around and show you guys what's up for sale. So, let's kick things off with this new T7. It's the blue power trim, it's got that lovely metallic paint, it's on brand new Michelin tyres, and I mean, they really are new. This tractor's only done 8.5 hours on the clock. So it's basically new, straight out the wrapper. It's got CVT, really easy to drive. It's a 2024 tractor. It's kind of surprising to see something like this coming up for auction already. Next to it, we've got its smaller brother, let's say. This is the Boomer 35. Only 35 horsepower, but this little nimble thing will find a lot of use in loads of different farms. I mean, only 2.5 hours on the clock on this one. Simple, easy to use. What could go wrong? Okay, so not everything here is brand new. We've also got a smaller T5 here and a couple of T7s. It's also not all blue. So let's move on to some green paint. Okay, so we've also got two John Deere 6Rs here. We've got the 215 and the 155. The 215 is actually the ultimate spec. It's only got about 2,700 hours on it. So, I mean, these are your bread and butter tractors. If you ask a child to draw a tractor, they're probably going to draw something like this. They've got so many uses on a farm, and it's good to see one that's such high spec in such good condition. Now, we're stood next to their big brother. This is the 8RX 410. 410 horsepower from a 9-litre engine. This has got that 4-track setup, perfect for managing soil compaction and getting power down to the ground. Inside the cab, we've got a leather seat and command arm. In fact, why don't we take a look inside and show you around? So, climbing into the cab, I mean, first of all, you notice it's quite a journey up into here. It's a pretty high seating cab. But I mean, for a tractor that's done nearly 5,000 hours, it's really in quite impressive condition. You have those leather seats that I mentioned before, you've got the command arm on the armrest, and these tractors are rare. It's not often you're going to get a chance for something like this going under the hammer. So as well as the tractors, we've also got loads of telehandlers and loadals here, and that's ranging from a 22 plate Kramer, a 2005 Manitou, we've got new Hollands, obviously we've got plenty of JCBs here, and all the way up to the big 436 wheel loader for when you really need to move stuff around. So as well as stuff that's running on the bigger tyres, we also have lots of commercial vehicles here. There's about 30 vans or so, ranging from Fords, Mercedes, VW and Peugeots, all over a whole range of years and all with a different range of mileage. It really is quite impressive, the kind of selection that there is here. As well as the running bits of kit, there are literally hundreds of other lots for stuff that might just go on your tractor. So we've got straw blowers here, lots of balers. I think this baler here has probably tied more bales than I've had dinners, but you know it's going to do it. We've got New Hollands, but really quite interestingly, this Kuhn one here, this Kuhn square baler, is obviously a really new bit of kit. It's got high throughput, it's done 4,000 bales and it's only got 92 hours on the clock. So again, really new, really advanced piece of kit, something again to keep an eye out for. As we've said before, loads of lots here. We're not going to have time to go for everything, so it's going to be some quick rounds to show you what they've got. Just look at all the spreaders. If you've got grass, they've got mowers. After you've cut all that grass, you're going to need something to move it around. So just have a look at all of these rakes and tedders. The Kuhn venter drill and another Kuhn air seeding drill here, but this one's got a power harrow attached to it. Now, if we know there's one thing that farmers burn through, it's rubber. We are absolutely surrounded by tyres here. We've got BKT, Trelleborg, Michelin. There's all sorts, all sizes, all kinds of wear. I mean, just look at how many there are. Okay, so we've been walking around the yard and in all honesty, it's really quite staggering, just the variety of stuff that's up for auction here. I mean, we've got a header sat next to Bailey trailers, alongside Rea Valley Tractors commercial trailers, all the way up to a lorry. It's all in the auction. So to go with the tractors and the telehandlers that we've seen, there is a huge number of attachments. There's headstocks, forks, ballast weights, buckets, Q-fits for JCBs. There are so many different things to have a look at. It's hard to get a picture of just how much there is. There's also a huge amount of workshop kit that's going up for auction. We've got tractor jacks, got the track jack thing for lifting up your tractor, like dollies for sticking your tractor on and moving it around, engine hoists, and over here, axle stands. We've got air compressor units for reconditioning the aircon systems, more tooling, whether that's cutters, hydraulic pressers, welders, pillar drills, the list goes on. I don't know what's this side. Also included in the auction, we've got a lot of grounds care stuff. So we've got ride-along mowers, loads of these auto mowers, and just, yeah, a whole range of grounds care kit, including strimmers, hedge cutters, all kinds of things. There's loads of it. So you've come round with us and had a look at the auction lots, and as you've seen, there's loads of stuff here. And while it's very sad that such an established name in the industry has ceased trading, what it does represent is an opportunity for farmers to get their hands on kit that they might not have had the opportunity to otherwise, and to make good use of it. So stay tuned. The auction goes live on the 19th of November. Make sure you keep an eye out for anything that you've seen that you're interested in. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.